In 2017, our Forward Together campaign began with the goal of transforming our healthcare to meet the ever-changing needs of our communities. Guthrie's strategic plan, Guthrie 2021, served as the blueprint to improve overall health through clinical excellence and compassion. Every patient, every time.
With the goal of raising $10 million to drive success in the 4 pillars of our strategic plan: physician talent, extended reach, population health, and One Guthrie, we began our journey. Since then, we have received more than 10,000 donations and raised nearly $15 million. That support has made so many things possible.
It has enabled us to extend our network and services with the addition of the new Emergency Department and Heart and Vascular Center, both at Guthrie Robert Packer Hospital, the East Corning Medical Office Building, Big Flats Specialty and Rehabilitation Services, and later this year, the Guthrie Cortland Cancer Center and Ithaca Specialties Medical Office Building. This growth allows us to provide needed care to more patients at the right time and the right place. We have been able to attract and retain physician talent by creating more robust graduate medical education offerings. With the addition of the new residency and fellowship programs in emergency medicine, orthopedic surgery, anesthesiology, and gastroenterology, Guthrie now offers a total of 8 residencies and 3 fellowship programs. This investment in physician talent will ensure necessary care is available to all the communities we serve now and in the future. In addition, the overall health of our communities will improve through various avenues of financial assistance support, allowing us to better care for men, women, and children of all ages. Our efforts were bolstered by annual events such as the Guthrie Gala, Valentine's Ball, Turkey Trot, Guthrie Gala, Golf for Guthrie Hospice, and Portland Memorial Foundation's Golf Classic Tournament, and the annual Harvest of Gold celebration. These events fostered community spirit as we pressed on toward a common goal. With gifts of all sizes, people gave what they could to make a tremendous difference. Others considered the legacy they would leave and how they could impact Guthrie in the long term, making transformational changes through bequests. The generosity continued through our trustees and board members, our leaders, employees, businesses, and community members. Throughout a pandemic that no one could have predicted, we continued to join together with the strength of our community like never before. We ensured our healthcare teams had enough PPE, including the addition of handmade masks. We gathered donations of food and treats to thank our hardworking staff for their dedication, and we celebrated them with parades and more. Even with this added test, moving forward was critical to our goal of delivering highly coordinated care and a superior patient experience across all of our locations. From our annual donors and those in the Emily Guthrie Legacy Society to our lifetime contributors and 1910 Society members, we extend our heartfelt appreciation for the generosity of our donors. Together, we achieved far more than we could have alone. And together, as a community, we will benefit from every single donation. Here are some words from our supporters.
The hospitals in small towns are really super important because people get sick, and you like to have all the facilities to take care of people's illnesses locally.
My grandpa got very sick and had to go to the hospital. I gave some of my allowance to Guthrie because I wanted other people to survive COVID and other diseases. I wanted to make everybody know that I could give it to Guthrie and they could too.
Our continued mission at Williams Family of Companies is to support the community, and we know a little bit of effort can go a long way. So we encourage anybody to support Guthrie because they rely on everyone's support to do the things that they need to do, whether it's building a new hospital wing or adding more support for their patients. So anybody in the community, a little bit can go a long way. So I'd ask you to look at your organization and see if you can, because I know it's going to help the right people at the right place in our community.
As we celebrate our successes and all that has been accomplished, we find ourselves not at the end of our journey, but at an inflection point. Together, we will continue to innovate and find solutions to meet the challenges of tomorrow. And together, we will continue to uplift our communities and elevate care. Because of you, we are moving forward together.